Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is HP Deskjet 2710. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges and also how to remove the ink cartridges. We're going to first of all remove the ink cartridges that are in this printer. Open up the cover here. Then you wait for the ink holder to position itself. Then you need to push down the ink, push it downwards to remove it. This printer is using ink 305. So once you remove the ink, a warning light will be highlighting here, and also the ink gauges are empty to show you that the ink cartridges are not in. I ordered ink cartridges online from amazon.co.uk. So we're going to install the ink. This is 305 black, 305 triple colors. This is what we got here. This is from HP, 305 black and 305 triple colors. To install the ink, just need to open up this. So this is the ink cartridges. Need to remove this plastic. Now then you go in, the black goes to the right and the colored one goes to the left. So on the right is black, and also there's a sticker to show you. So on the right is black ink. Once you go in, push the ink cartridges upwards and you hear a click sound and it's in. We need to do the same thing to triple colors. .305 triple colors, which consist of cyan, magenta, and yellow. Colored one goes to the left. Then you go in, push the ink cartridges upwards, and you hear a click sound. Now you just need to check it, make sure they are intact. Then you close the chamber and wait. There's a 2 line inside it to show you the ink level, and it's showing us now full up. If the ink are not installed correctly, a light will be highlighting here. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. Thank you and stay blessed.